We all crave a long and healthy life, but the secret lies not in a magic pill, but in the choices we make every day. The food we consume has a profound impact on our overall well-being and longevity. Dr. Mindy Pelz, a renowned expert in nutrition and functional health, has dedicated her career to unraveling the science of longevity. Her work delves deep into how our dietary habits influence our health at the cellular level. Her research points to a fundamental truth. Our diet plays a pivotal role in determining our lifespan and health span. By focusing on nutrient-dense foods, we can fuel our bodies with the essential vitamins and minerals needed for optimal function. Dr. Pelz emphasizes the importance of maintaining low glucose and insulin levels, which can be achieved by reducing our intake of refined sugars and processed foods. Sustained high levels of glucose and insulin can lead to a cascade of health issues like insulin resistance, weight gain, and chronic diseases. These conditions not only shorten our lifespan, but also diminish our quality of life. Another crucial aspect is minimizing oxidative stress, which can be managed by incorporating antioxidant-rich foods into our diet. Oxidative stress is the process of damage to our cells by free radicals. These unstable molecules can cause significant harm if not neutralized by antioxidants. Oxidative stress is a major contributor to aging and various diseases. By reducing oxidative stress, we can slow down the aging process and prevent the onset of age-related diseases. By adopting a diet that combats these factors, we can pave the way for a longer, healthier life. It's not just about adding years to our life, but adding life to our years. Making mindful food choices today can lead to a vibrant and fulfilling future. While there's no one-size-fits-all approach to nutrition, certain foods consistently sabotage our health goals. Dr. Pelz identifies 10 common culprits that should be limited or avoided for optimal well-being. These highly processed foods are stripped of their nutritional value, leaving behind empty calories and a recipe for metabolic disaster. They cause rapid spikes in blood sugar and insulin levels, leading to energy crashes, cravings, and over time, insulin resistance, weight gain, and chronic diseases. While not all wheat is bad, it's important to understand the differences between traditional and modern wheat. Modern wheat, particularly the hybridized varieties grown in America, can be problematic for our health. These varieties have been engineered for higher yields and pest resistance. It contains a protein called gluten, which is found in many of our everyday foods like bread and pasta. Gluten has been linked to digestive issues and inflammation in some individuals, leading to conditions such as celiac disease and gluten sensitivity. Furthermore, modern wheat is often sprayed with glyphosate, a common herbicide used to kill weeds and speed up the harvesting process. Glyphosate has been linked to gut microbiome disruption and other health concerns, raising questions about the safety of consuming such treated wheat. Diet soda, a sugar-free trap. Don't be fooled by the sugar-free label. Diet sodas are laden with artificial sweeteners like aspartame and sucralose, which studies suggest can disrupt the gut microbiome, potentially leading to weight gain and metabolic issues. Fruit juice, a wolf in sheep's clothing. Even if it's labeled 100% juice, fruit juice is essentially concentrated sugar. Stripped of its fiber, the sugar in fruit juice hits your bloodstream quickly, causing blood sugar spikes and contributing to insulin resistance over time. Large fish mercury overload. While fish can be a healthy source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, large fish like tuna, swordfish, and king mackerel tend to accumulate high levels of mercury. This heavy metal can be toxic to the nervous system, especially in pregnant women and young children. Conventional fruits, not so sweet after all. Conventionally grown fruits are often doused in pesticides, herbicides, and fungicides, which can disrupt our hormones, gut microbiome, and overall health. Opt for organic or even better, regeneratively grown fruits whenever possible. Instant oatmeal, a nutritional dud. This breakfast staple lacks the fiber content of steel-cut or rolled oats, leading to rapid blood sugar spikes. Additionally, many instant oatmeal varieties are laden with added sugars, flavors, and preservatives, further diminishing their nutritional value. Potatoes. The glycemic index offenders. White potatoes, while a beloved comfort food, have a high glycemic index, meaning they cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. This can lead to energy crashes, cravings, and over time, contribute to insulin resistance. Margarine, a trans fat nightmare. Marketed as a healthier alternative to butter, margarine is often loaded with trans fats, which are known to increase bad cholesterol, lower good cholesterol, and increase the risk of heart disease. Iceberg lettuce, the nutrient-void green. While it adds crunch to salads, iceberg lettuce pales in comparison to its leafy green counterparts in terms of nutritional value. It's low in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Section 3. Empowering your plate: healthy alternatives and lifestyle practices. Avoiding these foods is a great first step, but Dr. Pelz emphasizes that it's equally important to focus on what we should be eating. It's not just about cutting out the bad, it's about embracing the good. By filling our plates with nutrient-dense foods, we can fuel our bodies with the essential vitamins and minerals they need to thrive. She recommends a diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods, with an emphasis on foods that are as close to their natural state as possible. This means choosing items that haven't been altered by industrial processes, ensuring that we get the maximum nutritional benefit from every bite. Vegetables. Aim for a variety of colorful vegetables, prioritizing leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, and low glycemic options. These vegetables are packed with antioxidants, fiber, and essential nutrients that support overall health and well-being. Incorporating a rainbow of vegetables into your diet can help ensure you're getting a broad spectrum of nutrients. Fruits. Choose low-sugar fruits like berries, avocados, and lemons, and opt for organic or regeneratively grown varieties. These fruits are not only delicious but also provide a wealth of health benefits, from boosting your immune system to providing essential vitamins and minerals. Organic and regeneratively grown options are preferable as they are free from harmful pesticides and support sustainable farming practices. Healthy fats. Incorporate sources of healthy fats like avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and coconut oil. These fats are crucial for brain health, hormone production, and overall cellular function. They also help keep you feeling full and satisfied, reducing the likelihood of unhealthy snacking. Quality protein. Choose grass-fed meats, pasture-raised poultry, wild-caught seafood, and plant-based protein sources like lentils and beans. Quality protein is essential for muscle repair, immune function, and maintaining a healthy metabolism. By selecting high-quality sources, you ensure that you're getting the best possible nutrition without the added hormones and antibiotics found in conventionally raised meats. Beyond diet, Dr. Pelz highlights the importance of incorporating supportive lifestyle practices. These practices can enhance the benefits of a healthy diet and contribute to overall well-being. Intermittent fasting. This eating pattern, which involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting, has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, promote cellular repair, and support weight management. Intermittent fasting can also help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce inflammation, making it a powerful tool for maintaining long-term health. High-intensity exercise. Engaging in regular high-intensity exercise helps improve insulin sensitivity, boosts metabolism, and combats oxidative stress. This type of exercise can also enhance cardiovascular health, increase muscle strength, and improve mental clarity. Incorporating high-intensity workouts into your routine can provide a significant boost to your overall fitness and well-being. The journey to optimal health is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making consistent, mindful choices that support your long-term goals. Remember, every small step you take towards a healthier lifestyle adds up over time. By making gradual, sustainable changes to our diet and lifestyle, we can support our body's natural healing mechanisms and unlock the secrets to a longer, healthier life. These changes don't have to be drastic. Even small adjustments can make a big difference in how you feel and function. Start today and empower yourself with the knowledge to make informed choices for a vibrant future. Embrace the journey and remember that every positive change you make brings you one step closer to optimal health and well-being.